In this video, I will show you how to add a work address on Bolt app. So first of all, open up your Bolt app and from here navigate to the account tab at the bottom right. And from here, you need to go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and there under Save Places, you will see add a work address. And I do not have one at this moment, so I'm going to show you how you can add this. And that's by basically clicking on add work address in here, and then you can search a location, and then you can just go ahead and add this. So let's say we are going to add this location in here, the Eiffel Tower in Paris. So then we're going to click on the address. Of course, you can also type in a number, of course, just depending on the address itself. But right now I'm not selecting a number. I'm just going to show you the regular Eiffel Tower. So I'm going to do it without and then click on the one at the top. So right now it is selected. You can set a pin as well. So you can also select the direction of the road where you want to be picked up. So let's go ahead and select this in here. And then if you want to confirm it, you're basically going to click on confirm location. And that is how your work address will be added. And now you can easily switch to this address when you are booking rides by just typing in work in the planning of a ride. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.